something people don't talk about enough, which is how does catalog structure the too many SKUs, variation, overlap, etc. PPC performance.
This is something that I like to call it as a gambler's mindset. Now, keep in mind that we do have also strict strategies when it comes down to these campaigns. When you don't know which product is performing best, you want to gather data and you would be creating the discovery campaigns. And then based on that data, you would know, all right, so maybe this product right now I'm sending it FBM because I have 200 SKUs. I drop them all in this campaign, but that one product is actually performing well. So maybe I'm going to create an FBA offer. So in that case, for example, it would be a strategic decision to create a discovery campaign. Whenever we're auditing accounts and we see neglect, let me define neglect. In this case, it's going to be, you have 200 SKUs in, we pull the data for the past 30 days. And what we see is you have at least 200 clicks on products that clearly don't convert. And even if your bid is, like 5 cents, 20 cents, so super low, that is still neglect because it was not paused, because it's clear proof. Data shows us that it's not working. So in that situations, it would be a bad setup simply because you did not took quickly enough action on the data that prove you it's not going to work that way, for that product, that specific ad type. So that is how I would look at it. It really depends on what is the strategy behind. Whenever you don't know exactly which is the best-selling product, you would add them all in the campaign, or maybe which is the best-selling variation, color variation, or that is how I would filter it. Rather than filtering it, then, okay, what was the purpose behind? And if you know that, that's great. If you don't know that, just assume that there was been neglect in one sense or another, either from whoever managed previously the account, either simply there's no enough time for someone to understand what they are doing or not.